Hello everyone, I am Dr. Suraj Chirania, consultant hematologist and bone marrow transplant physician. Today, let me explain an important disorder called hemolytic anemia. Let's understand it in 5 simple points. Point 1, what is hemolytic anemia? Normally, our red blood cells live for about 120 days before they are naturally removed by the body. But in hemolytic anemia, these red blood cells get destroyed much earlier than normal, sometimes within just a few weeks, days to weeks. Because the body can't replace them quickly enough, the patient develops anemia. Point 2, why do red blood cells break early? There are two major reasons. First, the problem can be inside blood cells themselves, such as genetic disorder like thalassemia, G6PD deficiency. Second, the problem may be outside of the red blood cells, for example, infections, certain medicines, or when immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own blood cells, which is called as autoimmune hemolytic anemia. Point 3, what symptoms do patients notice? Patients with hemolytic anemia may experience extreme tiredness, weakness, pale skin, shortness of breath. Because red blood cells break down and release bilirubin, some patients also develop yellowish discoloration of eyes and skin called jaundice, and sometimes dark color urine. Point 4, how do doctors diagnose hemolytic anemia? Diagnosis usually start with a complete blood count. Doctors then look for a special marker of red cell destruction such as higher reticulocyte count, elevated LDH, indirect hemoglobin, and low haptoglobin. A peripheral smear sometimes can show tell the exact cause. Point 5, can hemolytic anemia be treated? Yes, treatment depends on the underlying cause. Some patients may only need vitamins or supportive care, while others requires a steroid, immunotherapy, or treatment of infection. In severe cases, blood transfusion or specialized hematology treatment may be required. So the message is, if anemia is associated with jaundice, dark urine, doctors should always consider a hemolytic anemia. Thanks for watching. For more simple explanation about blood disorder, subscribe to our channel, Dr. Suraj Chirania, hematologist.